You're such a good girl. You're teaching these babies some manners, aren't you? Yeah, teaching them some manners. Teaching them what no milk means, huh? You're a good role model. You taught your baby a lot. Oh, you're going to get your booty bit. You're going to get your booty bit. No bite. Easy. Good boy, baby judge. Good boy. Two. Where's your two? 2 feet up. Where's your 2 feet up? There's your 2 feet up. There's your 2 feet up. Good boy, cougar. Good girl, Buns. I know I love you too. I know I love you too. I know I love you too. You like these babies, don't you? Good Shishi Monte Carlo. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Good Shishi Monte Carlo. Good boy, yes. You kick that ground and tell him it's you. Tell him it's you, little man. Tell him it's you, little man. Good Shishi. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Yes, you're so smart. Yes. He is her little doppelganger. It's so cute. Baby Nova. Give me some of this sweet lovin'. Give me some of this sweet lovin'. I love you, babies. I love you too, booger. Oh, big splash. Big splash. Are you having so much fun playing with your grandbabies? Your grandpuppies? Teaching them so much good stuff. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, I'm so proud of you.